Aloha Ellen, my name is Mailu. I'm the inventor of the CreaClip. It's a hair cutting tool so you can cut your hair at home. Yes, exactly. During this time of COVID-19 lockdown, everybody's cutting their hair, and even though you tell them not to, they're still doing it. So why not give them the right tools so that they can do it right at home? And I just actually did my bangs yesterday. I actually did a live call with my girlfriends and showed her how to cut her hair, showed her husband how to cut her hair. And I was thinking maybe we could do the same with you. And actually 10 years ago, I did a video for you. I think it's got like 7,000 views on YouTube and reaching out. So I really want to be on your show 10 years ago. And now 10 years later, I still really want to be on your show. So maybe we could collaborate and do something so that we can help your fans out there get beautiful haircuts. Because during this time, everybody just wants to feel good. And when you have a beautiful haircut, it feels great. So I hope to hear from you, Ellen, and I hope you're staying safe. Aloha.